So how easy or how difficult it is for someone to get started with doodling?
Okay, so I'm going to present something,
Yeah.
and then while I'm talking, I'll show that how easy it is. So, uh, just like the software has nothing to do with it, but I'll just tell how to draw. So, suppose if I have a concept, like if I just want to say hi to you, and because I've been drawing things time and again, or this character multiple times, so
Mhm.
see, I'm talking and I'm trying to draw. So it's
Yeah.
that fairly simple. But if I have to break it down, so
Yeah.
what a person needs to know is if they can draw a triangle, if they can draw a circle, if they can draw a square and a line, then
Yeah.
you can create many things possible. And to kind of elaborate upon it, so suppose these are the few shapes, and
Yeah.
that you learn even when you are schooling, right? For even your maths class, your teacher asks you to draw all this. So taking these basic shapes only, like if I have to create a pencil, so I draw a rectangle, I make a line, I make a triangle, and I fill the triangle. So that is
Wow.
basically roughly a pencil. If I have to make multiple pages, so this is a rectangle, then another rectangle and a few lines. This looks like something is
Yeah.
written on the page as well, and so on and so forth. So I'll not break down anything. It is just like a ice cream cone with a
Yeah.
triangle and two circles, and then you, if you want, you can draw a fan too with a circle, a few triangle, few lines, a semicircle, maybe a rectangle and a triangle. And if
Wow.
you want the fan to look like it is in motion, so just add a few lines, and it will give an impact that maybe the fan is also
Okay.
moving. So it's
Nice.
fairly simple, and one need not to be an artist actually to do it. And the more you do, the more comfortable you feel, and the more experimental you can be. So I never add, most of the time, I don't add nose in the character. I don't add ears
Oh
in the
yeah, I
character.
didn't notice.
Yeah. And sometime, like if I am making it something quick where I just want the face to be focused, so I never make neck, hands, nothing like that. So there is no rule to it.
Yeah.
And you kind of always play around it and create anything that you like. It is just like how when you see kids drawing, no, like how
Yeah.
when they play, they kind of create family, they kind of create aliens, and they do whatever, they
Yeah.
just give you an impression that they are trying to draw an animal or something like that. I think it is similar, just that you build upon the same thing time and again.
How important as an artist, how important you feel, or what is the role of a community in helping artists?
Mhm. So I would say that first of all, if anyone is into art or any kind of creative field,
Yeah.
they will never be happy with their current learning. They want to kind of always keep on learning something, keep on doing new things and things
Yeah.
like that. And then once you start with a full time, or even when you're freelancing in a way, not some side project, but freelancing to support your livelihood, you
Okay.
know that a larger chunk of your time will go even in that work,
Yeah.
and sometimes finding that work and doing that work, then even in learning. And apart from client work or office work, you want to create your own artwork. So there are many things that you have already filled your bucket with. And on top of it, these days, if you want to learn marketing, if you want to, like, for anything, like for me, if I want to conduct a workshop, I cannot just put a post on my Instagram and be assured that there would be people who will register. And I think there the communities are playing really important role, because they have people who focuses on marketing,
Hmm.
or even like slightest thing like creating a Zoom link, sending emails to other participants. Things like that definitely take time. It can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or an hour.
Yeah.
And then I really like the consistency of it, like whenever I'm collaborating with those communities and they have been doing the same thing time and over again with artists, they kind of understand it. So for me, like if I am kind of collaborating with the community and they understand my timing, that hey, I cannot be available during a weekday, I'll be
Yeah.
available during a weekend. And so all these pieces which really makes me feel happy about collaborating with different kind of communities, even with Dialogue Cafe, that if I ping something, I get a reply. If like somebody is, because a lot of time what happens that if there is a registration link, like people will come and ask me where, hey, where I will find this detail, or I'm having this problem,
Yeah.
and I might get free late in the evening. But whenever I see any such messages from the participants, I immediately update the communities. And I really like how they quickly take responses and kind of get things sorted. And yeah, the best part is there is no follow up for me. Like,
Yeah.
I am very happy about that part, because normally if you're doing something and if you have to do so much follow up, you feel like, okay, I only should pick it and get it done. So here, like, I don't have to learn marketing part, which is a huge savior,
Yeah.
which might not even add much to the profile that I am into.
Yeah.
And the part that they are, even the communities are really supporting artists by sharing their work, no matter how many participants you get for the workshop, but at least the communities have a built audience who are able to see the kind of artwork that I'm doing, and any kind of appreciation. Like if somebody personally messages me even a line, like I really feel good as an artist. It doesn't matter that how many times I have heard something good about the
Yeah.
same, but any new person coming and saying the same thing, it's like a kick of motivation which
Exactly.
keeps you kind of going throughout. So hats off to all the work the communities are putting for people here.
And even you feel ki, so generally in a community, it's not about just one type of art, because there are so many multiple artworks or talented people who are associated within the community. It also gives a chance for people to maybe learn new things
Yeah, exactly.
and get associated with other artists at the same time.
Yeah.
Because what we've seen as well is it's not just new people coming onto the platform. It's existing partners that we have, or the artists that we have onboarded. They also like to attend different
Yeah,
of
exactly. And even like suppose on a Sunday, you have 15-20 people to talk to. It
yeah,
is a
that's
delight in its own self,
yeah,
right? Because it's not just a transactional connection that you are forming. Like some of the people who have attended the workshop still talks with me about certain things, different
yeah,
topic. And then you might find a friend also who will stay there for a really long time with you. Or again, different people. So some of the artists really wrote me because they have seen something on different community pages, and
yeah.
from there we will have talk, and you never know like with whom you will really connect well. So that's a really valid point, and I've seen that happening as well.